Welcome to the Stock Mirror platform, where we skip the noise and see the signal. Today, we're looking at HCL Technologies, which recently released its Q3 results for financial year 2026. Let's dive into the key highlights. Now moving to revenue growth. Revenue grew 4.8% year on year and 4.2% sequentially. This was driven by strong demand in engineering and R&D services, which grew 10.8%. The software business also saw a seasonal surge, growing 28.1% sequentially. The company raised its full-year revenue growth guidance to 4.0 to 4.5%. Revenue growth is on track. Looking next at margin change. The EBIT margin expanded by 111 basis points sequentially to 18.6%. This margin change category is expansion. The improvement was driven by higher software profitability and operational efficiencies from Project Ascent. However, margins were impacted by one-time labor code changes and restructuring costs. Zooming into outlook. The short-term outlook is positive, with raised full-year guidance. Management expects continued demand in AI Day 1 services. The long-term outlook is also positive, with AI seen as a multi-year driver. Key dependencies include client investment in AI and no severe worsening of macro uncertainties. Let's double-click on important questions. First, on AI demand, conversations have matured to holistic business process reimagination. The most traction is in Day 1 AI foundational services. Second, on guidance, management explained the raised guidance incorporates a range of scenarios. The mega deal win will start ramping in Q4. Third, on FY27 margins, management declined to give guidance now, but noted normalized Q3 margin was close to last year's level. Quick note on acquisitions. The company made strategic acquisitions this quarter. It acquired the Telco Solutions business from HPE to bolster telecom capabilities. It also acquired Jaspersoft and Wobby to strengthen its data and AI division. These acquisitions are excluded from the current FY26 guidance. Next up, tailwinds and headwinds. Key tailwinds include strong demand for Gen AI, Agentic AI, and advanced AI. There are also significant Day 1 AI opportunities in engineering and infrastructure. Headwinds include global market uncertainties leading to slow traditional spending. There are also tariff uncertainties impacting the manufacturing vertical and wage hikes impacting margins. Brief update on investments. Short-term investments focus on AI solutions and a restructuring program called Project Ascend. The restructuring has a cost impact of 50 basis points for the full year. Long-term investments focus on AI talent, with over 38,000 employees trained on Gen AI and strategic acquisitions to build differentiated IP. To wrap up, management expressed confidence in the growth trajectory, citing 2 outstanding quarters and a strong pipeline. For the detailed view, please check the Stock Mirror platform link in the description below. Thank you for watching our Stock Mirror earnings insights. If you found this helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe.